Flaps.
Now I want to slow down first. Can't use flaps anyway. Here, dude, do me a favor. Hold this. Kind of in my way.
Got it. Think right. Think right.
The sink rate is good. Red over white, you're all right.
Oh.
Red over red, you're dead.
Thanks.
I just wanted to throw that in there. I'm gonna land right on the lines, dude.
Right on the line? That's a bit of a challenge there.
Hello? Still recording. I hope the camera doesn't screw up on this one.
Yeah. That's a beautiful line.
What time is it, by the way?
Recording.
Oh. Alright, so I'm not going to be on the lines. That's alright.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. It's because I got to flare out, dude. Oh.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it was alright.